Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. In this tutorial, we'll be painting a beautiful landscape inspired by places we've visited, a scene with mountains, a lake, a grassy field, and colorful wildflowers. Here are the materials you'll need for this lesson. Pause here to gather your supplies. You'll also find the full list in the description below. Let's begin with the background. Squeeze out cerulean blue, sky blue, cobalt blue, and burnt umber directly onto your canvas. With a wet flat brush, start blending the colors in horizontal strokes from top to bottom. Take your time here. This step sets the mood of your painting. Keep your brush damp, not soaking, and let the lighter tones at the top melt naturally into the darker shades below. If you see harsh lines forming, soften them by going back over with light, sweeping strokes. Now, let's add our first mountain range. Load a small flat brush with phthalo blue and paint an irregular series of peaks across the upper half of your canvas. Don't worry about making them perfect. The most natural mountains are uneven, with different slopes and heights. As you fill them in, mix a little burnt umber with white to add shadows and highlights, creating depth. Step back and make sure the peaks look balanced before moving on. In the middle of the canvas, let's paint another set of mountains. Place one on each side, leaving space in the center for your lake. Use burnt umber here and blend just a touch to give the feeling of distance. Remember, distant mountains are often softer and less detailed than the ones up close. At the very bottom, use a hint of lamp black to separate the land and create contrast. This helps anchor your scene. Now for the sky. With a filbert brush and thick titanium white, paint fluffy clouds using circular motions. Keep the tops heavier with paint and blend the bottoms softly into the background to create a natural, airy effect. Less is more here. Don't overfill the sky. Add a few horizontal strokes of white across the lake to mimic cloud reflections. Keep these lighter and softer than the clouds above for realism. In the foreground, we'll build our grassy field. Load a fan brush with sap green and light green and gently tap it onto the lower canvas. Vary the pressure of your strokes so the grass looks random and natural. Let some of the background peek through instead of covering everything solidly. This makes it feel like a real field with depth and movement. To give the middle mountains more definition, squeeze out a bit of yellow ochre and use your fan brush to drag in lines and soft blends. This creates highlights and breaks up the darker base layer. Now comes the fun part, the wildflowers. Take an old, worn round brush, Dip it directly into thick paint and dab onto the grass. Use peach, purple, and any other bright tones you like. Cluster some flowers together and leave other areas sparse so it looks organic. Try layering a few colors on top of each other for variety. Nature is full of unexpected combinations. To finish, grab your liner brush. Add a few fine details in the grass. Outline the bases of your mountains and refine any edges that need definition. These small touches really pull your painting together and make it look polished. If you're enjoying this lesson, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so you'll always be notified when a new tutorial is released. And because you're watching here on our channel, we have a special offer just for you. Our Paint Your Own Happiness course is a complete step-by-step journey that blends acrylic painting with creative self-expression. As one of our viewers, you can join at one of our most affordable rates, $25. Learn more and claim your special viewer pricing at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses. Thank you for painting with us today. We can't wait to see your landscapes inspired by places you've visited.